Hi, this is the solution to the mystery. Mystery, the name of my designer. Clue 1. Daniel Timeth says I'm a number between ugly and beautiful, no bigger than large and towering, but exactly ... line less, the Mayans would note. This guy says this, so let me go find out who this guy is. So let's put his name into Google and do a search. Let's go to Wikipedia. Here he is. And if you read this, if you scan this down a little bit here, you can see that it states in this paragraph, he sees numbers up to 10,000 as colors, shapes, texture. If you read more, he says 289 is ugly. 289 is ugly. And 33 is attractive and pi is beautiful. So I'm a number between ugly and beautiful. So this is ugly and beautiful is pi. Pi is 3.14 something. If you're not sure what pi is, you can just go here and click on this. If you click on this, it'll tell you that pi is number 3.14 and goes on forever. So I'm a number between ugly and beautiful. No bigger than large and towering. Large and towering. Let's read on. He says, ugly and beautiful. 6 is apparently has no distinct image, as opposed to 9, which he calls large and towering. So 9 is large and towering. So 9, large and towering. No bigger than large and towering, but exactly ... line less. So I'm not bigger than 9. I'm exactly ... line less. So the number is equal to 9 minus ... line, right? Less is minus. So what's ... line? Here's our clue, the Mayans. So let's do a Google search on Mayan numbers. Let's type in Mayan number, Mayan number systems. And let's click on this image here. See? You know, actually just go here. Dot is 1, 2 dots represents 2. So ... is 2 and a line is 5. So ... line is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So 2 and 5 equals 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So our answer to the first clue is 2. So clue number 2 says add 4 and find me on the periodic table. So our answer is 2. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. So let's find 6 on the periodic table. Periodic table. Here we go on Wikipedia. And periodic table. Since our answer is 6, it must be the element number. If you go to 6, we are right here at carbon. Now, I found myself on the periodic table, so F4 and find me on the periodic table, which gives me carbon. Go down 2 rows, left 3 times. So here are 2 rows. 1, 2, left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And number 29, which is copper. So my answer is copper. Okay, so the next clue says, there's a lot of me in New York. What am I called there? Copper in New York. Let's go Google that. Copper in New York. Here we are. Our clue is that there's a lot of me in New York. So, and the answer that we came up with is copper. So I'm just going to try different terms. So New York, made of copper. Let's Try that. New York made of copper. And you can see here the first one, at least based on my results, is American made copper from Brooklyn, New York. But our mystery says there's a lot of me in New York. What am I called there? And the name of my designer. So the second thing is Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is made out of copper. And I'm big in New York City. This is the thing that people come to see in New York. So the answer is Statue of Liberty. I'm big, I'm made of copper, and I'm in New York, and I was designed by this guy. So that's the answer.